If you love watching birds but hate missing their migration, then you'll be amazed by this incredible flying trick. So, how do they do it? Certain birds, like the frigatebird, take power naps mid-flight. Their brain is so clever it can shut down one half while the other half stays awake. This way they can keep an eye out for danger and stay on course. It's like having a built-in autopilot. Scientists discovered this by attaching tiny devices to birds, which track their brain activity. They found out that these birds can sleep for just a few seconds at a time, adding up to about 40 minutes a day. It's amazing what nature can do. So next time you see a bird soaring through the sky, remember, they might just be catching some Z's. Isn't that a wingtastic way to travel?